Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you G counter coming soon countdown with admin panel. This is our dashboard. We can see subscribers, confirm subscribers, received subscribers, then message replay. You can see subscribers. You can send mail subscribers. Then message, receive message, then replay. Then we can see about us service, all service here. You can edit and delete also. If you want a new service add, click add new. Then settings, general settings, then contract, Google capture, social link, section, contact us, email, custom CSS, page. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.